Hi friends, welcome to my Exams Daily YouTube channel. So today in this video, I would like to share you about the latest job recruitment notification which was released by RBI. So before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. So RBI is nothing but the Reserve Bank of India. So they have released a job notification for the posting of security guard, and they have also mentioned the eligibility criteria, vacancy details and some of the things. So in this video I will explain you in a detailed manner. So first is about vacancies. So there are 241 postings are there for the post name of security guard, and in and all around India various offices are there. In there the security guards postings are there. So the selection will be based on a competitive test, that is will be of online test, and it will be also followed by physical test also. So here they have given the important days. So the first is about the link opening. First it will be opening from January 22, 2021. So that is from today itself the website has been opened, and it will be closed on February 12, 2021. So only a few days are there. If you are interested, you can apply for this, and the payment of test fees will be also of same dates only. So while doing your application procedure, additionally you have to do your payment procedure also. And next is about the schedule of online test. It will be tentatively on March or February month. So please be prepared for that examination also. So they are inviting the applications from the eligible Indian citizens and from ex-servicemen only, and for the post of security guard in bank. So if you are an ex-serviceman, you can apply for this. So this is about the vacancy position. So they have given in a detailed manner where the office is located, and the reservation based criteria also. So you can check through it. So totally there are 241 postings are there. So here they have given some of the rules and regulations which they are following by taking the reservation. So if you are an ex-serviceman, you have to fulfill these criteria. So they have given some of the criteria. So please check through before doing your application procedure. So the next is about eligibility criteria. So your age should be as on 1/1/2021. You should be of 25 years old, and relaxation will be given for some of the categories. So OBC will get 28 years as their maximum, and SC/ST will get 30 years as their maximum. If you are belonging to that caste region and if you are having this age, you can apply for this also. So the upper age limit of 40 years is uniformly applicable to candidates belonging to all categories. So if you are belonging to each and every category, the maximum age will be of 45 years. So if you are seeking age relaxation or age reservation, you have to submit the copies of necessary certificate at the time of physical test. So please be aware of that thing also. And next is about the caste criteria. So if you are seeking reservation for SC, ST and OBC, you have to produce your prescribed pro forma only, and they are not asking your certificate. So please be aware of that thing. So the next is about educational qualification. So if you are applying for this, you should have possessed 10th standard itself. It is enough. That is SSC or matriculation from a recognized state education board or equivalent. So if you are an ex-serviceman, you have passed the qualifying examination from outside the requirement zone, either before or after leaving the military certificates, you are also eligible. Please check through it. So here they have given some of the notes and regarding related to educational qualification, so you can check through it. So the next is about experience. Only ex-servicemen with proper military background are eligible. So you should be from a proper military background, and you should also have an experience of handling arms and ammunition in the military. So only you will be eligible. So please check through it. So they have given the job requirements, that is about the designation and what type of work you will be having. So you can check through it. So the next is about the online test. So you will be having the questions will be of objective type, and totally 100 questions will be asked and 100 marks will be given for you. So duration of 80 minutes will be having. So you have to prepare for your test from now itself. You will be undergoing this test. After that only you will be selected. So out of these about 3 papers, test of reasoning and numerical ability will be in bilingual, that is in English and in Hindi. Only general English paper will be only of English. So you can check through it. And they have also given there will not be negative marking for wrong answer and no sectional cutoff in the online test. So before going for your exam, you have to read this criteria very carefully. So for your convenience, we have given this PDF link in the description box, so you can check through it. So after passing out your online test, you will be called out for physical test. So you should be physically fit and mentally fit. Then only you will be undergoing the physical test. After that, you will be going to the medical test. So they have given these details also. So for this posting, pre-examination training will be given for specific categories, that is SC, ST and OBC candidates. So you will be having a pre-examination training, so that you will be getting an idea about this examination. So you can attend that training program also. So they have given the indicative list for training centers where the training will be taking off. So you can check through it. So this is out. So in these offices, you will be having your training centers. So you can check through it. And if you want to apply for this, you can also mention that in your application procedure. So after that, you will be having your test, right? So test centers will also be given. So online test will be conducted in different venues of different centers of the states, UTs. So that information also given in this PDF. I will show you later. So the next is about pay scale. So you will be starting basic pay of 10,940 rupees per month. So other allowances and DNN's allowance and something else will be given for you. So it is a very good pay, and approximately you will be getting 27,678 rupees as a maximum. It will be including your house rent allowance also of 15%. So you can check through it. So the next is about how to apply. So if you want to apply for this and if you are fulfilling their eligibility criteria, you can apply your application procedure only through online mode, and for that you have to go to the official website. So the official website link has been opened from today, so you can apply for this, and no other means or mode of application will be accepted, that is like a speed post or something else will not be accepted. So please be aware of that thing also. So they have given in a detailed manner about that. So intimation charges will be of 50 rupees. So you have to pay within February 12, 2021. So it is the last date for everything, that is your application procedure and your intimation charges. So you can check through it. So here they have given some of the general instructions and conditions. So you can check through it. So this is about the application procedure and what you have to do while doing your application procedure. So they have given the step-by-step procedure, so you can check through it and read this very correctly before doing your application procedure. So based upon your application only, they will be selecting you and they will be calling you for the test, that is online test. So please be very careful about that things also. So you have to take your photograph and your signature, so it should be in scanned form. So please be aware of that thing also. So here they have given in a detailed manner, and once you give submit button, you are not able to modify or edit your application procedure. So please be aware of that thing. So here they have given some of the guidelines for scanning or uploading your photograph and signature. So please be very careful about that, because if you are changing the file format mode or your file size, it will not be accepted and your application will be rejected. So please be aware of that thing. So while doing your application procedure, you have to have your valid mobile number and email ID. So through these things only they will be approaching you and they will be communicating you. So please be ready with that things also. So that's it about this notification. So this was released by RBI. So if you are looking for a bank job and if you are willing and if you are fulfilling this eligibility criteria, you can apply for this posting. It is a well-known and a good opportunity. Try your best and don't miss this opportunity. Last but not the least, all the very best and best of luck from our team. for your success and for your examination also. If you like this video and if you think this video is very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.